Going on, everybody? Martin with Belvoir Auto Spa. We're back. I think we're in month 3, I believe, of the ceramic coating test. Now, disclaimers with this test. I did torture test all these before. I wasn't planning on doing a longevity test, but I got enough people that requested that I do, and somebody even sent me another test hood so I could continue this test going for a year, 2 years, however long. So just be aware of that. But they've all been subjected to the same conditions the entire time, so nothing's been treated special. As far as application goes, I applied each one of these coatings according to their instructions. So people say this and that about you didn't apply it properly. I mean, I applied it how you said to apply it. So anyways, let me get some water on the panel so you can see how it is. Obviously it's gonna flood because this has just been sitting outside and it's super dirty. It's the wrong setting. That's the wrong setting too. There we go. And then over on the right side too, I'm testing 3 different wipe-on clear coats. They're not supposed to be hydrophobic. I'm just seeing how they handled, being out in the elements, barely washed. I'm trying to see, obviously, I don't expect them to perform like clear coat. They're not supposed to be, but they're supposed to be, the next best thing if you're losing clear coat without having to repaint the car. So let's get this washed down. And we're using a Coach Chemi reactivation shampoo. And I'm going to wash this twice because it is really dirty. And this thing's exposed a lot in this backyard. Got my dogs roughhousing over near it and everything. So this is a real test. Getting a lot thrown at it. We'll see how it all works out. Let's get it rinsed off and we'll wash it one more time. And then at the end of the test, I'll do a close-up so you can see how everything's doing. All right, I did say I'm going to wash it again. Before I wash it again right now, I can see Seacort's UK 3.0, Underdog Pro Plus, Start Kraken, DIY Stack. Yeah, okay, anyways. It might just be there's a few doing well. But we're going to wash it one more time first. And then go back in and see. All right, here is the final rinse. Let's see our results again. I am going to go close in, but Armor Detail Supply was doing really good before. How are they doing now? Starting to slow down a little bit. The stack is actually performing better than the coatings are standalone, but I'm just going to note it. I'm going to point out what I'm noticing is doing really good still right now. We've got Seacort's UK 3.0 doing really good. Underdog Pro Plus, Stark Liquid Kraken, DIY Stack. Yeah, it's doing all right. I wouldn't say it's doing really good though. FameLab Stack, Underdog Pro. That's not doing bad. Over here, yeah, Stark Liquid Thor, Underdog Marine. System X starting to slow down, so I've seen a lot of slowdowns this round. Ryan West 9H is still breaking through. Ethos Graphene Max V2. Ethos did say these other 2 sample coatings, there is a issue with the ceramic in the batch, so anyways, let me bring you in close. You can make out what the words say, and you can see the water behavior. All right. So if it's repelling water, it's still working, obviously. Even if it's just sheeting water. If the water is just stuck to it, there's not much there. And Meguiar's not looking too good. DIY 5 years doing all right. Rhine West 9H, System X Max doing all right. Black Rhino coating's doing good. CarPro's still working. Ooh, Geon Mo's Evo water sticking. That's not good. I don't know if this bottom row is just because so much dirt splashes up on it, but it's a possibility. I'm not a scientist. Anyways, we'll see how long we're gonna go. We're gonna keep this test going until the last one fails. So stay tuned for future updates. Let me know if you got any ideas for this. I'm open to ideas. We can try some things out. But yeah, thanks for watching.